Hello everyone, welcome to the Rlaarlo workshop. This video is the installation tutorial for the Rlaarlo Dragon Scale Knight Pro upgrade kit. This includes the carbon front triangle frame brace set, lightened carbon chassis side rails, and lightened electronics mounting set. After installation, it achieves a lightweight modification, making it lighter, more rigid, and more competitive. The vehicle used in this video is the dual battery version. Remove the body shell. First, remove the top fixing screws of the front brace. Turn the chassis over and remove the bottom fixing screws of the front brace. Then remove the fixing screws of the front top plate. You can now remove the entire front top plate and front brace. First, install the body post mount onto the carbon front triangle frame brace. Install the front upper suspension arm caster blocks in order and secure them with screws. Insert the nuts into the front brace. You can choose the front upper suspension arm pin mounts according to your preference. Install the front upper suspension arm pin mount into the caster blocks in order. Pay attention to the bushings on both sides of the carbon front triangle frame brace. Connect and secure the triangle frame brace and the front brace, and then install them into the chassis. Secure it with screws. After the upgrade, only one screw is needed to secure the bottom plate. The upgrade parts require the servo to be mounted vertically. First, remove the servo and ESC mounts from the chassis. Then, remove and replace with the appropriate servo mounts. Place the assembled servo unit vertically onto the chassis. Secure its bottom to the chassis plate using screws. For the assembled servo unit, we need to replace the steering link. Reinstall the new steering link onto the servo. Next, we assemble the off-road racing receiver box. Install the pressure plates as shown in the video and secure them with screws. Take the assembled off-road racing receiver box, place it into the chassis and secure it to the chassis plate with screws. How to assemble the carbon fiber shorty battery compartment. Connect the battery mounts to the carbon fiber battery mounting plates and secure them with screws. Install the battery hold downs as shown in the video. First, we install the lightened carbon chassis side guards. Remove the battery compartment first, as shown in the video. Then, remove the screws connecting the side guards to the chassis plate. After removal, install the carbon chassis side guards and secure them with screws. Place the assembled carbon fiber shorty battery compartment into the chassis. Turn the chassis over and secure it to the chassis plate with screws. Finally, install the ESC mount into the chassis. That is all for the complete installation tutorial for the DSK Pro upgrade kit. Thank you again for watching the Rlaarlo workshop.